Hello guys, welcome back to the video. So you guys know that with DJI Mini 3 and Mini 3 Pro, we get a soft bag from the DJI. And this soft bag can hold all the accessories, that is drone, RC and all the batteries. But do you think this bag is more safer while traveling? I don't think so. So what I did was I thought of ordering a hard case for my DJI Mini 3 which can hold my smart RC and also the drone and all the 3 batteries with its accessories. So here is the bag that I have ordered from the Amazon for 2000 rupees. So I'll give the link in the description. In this video, I'll give you the detailed view of what this bag holds and what is the quality of the bag and whether it's worth purchasing the bag at 2000 rupees or not. So without wasting much of time, let's quickly get into the video, guys. So guys, here we have the hard case for our DJI Mini 3 Pro, and on the top of this bag we get a nice handlebar to carry this bag. The quality of the handle is too good, and we get 2 additional hooks to tuck in the side flap, and the quality of the side hook is also good. And when you talk about the zips are super smooth and good in quality. Looking at the quality of the zip, I'm pretty sure that durability of the zip is going to be extremely good. And talking about the interior of this box, we get a zip here, and in this zip we can keep our accessories like propeller, charger, and we get a flip here which we can tuck in on the external hooks to carry our bag. And when we talk about the inside part of the bag, we get a soft shell where we can keep our drone, and it's very ensured that our drone will not be scratched, and the hard case is super good quality. Here you can see that when I keep the drone and RC, it's very smooth to handle this bag. You can see in the video how well our accessories fit up in this bag. Our RC, drone, all 3 batteries with the charging hub, everything fits so good and tight in this bag that even if you flip the bags, as you can see on the screen now, the drone or the RC never come out automatically. So everything fits up very sturdy, and the bag looks too great. So guys, if you ask me what is the interior rating that I would like to give to this bag, would be 10 out of 10, and this is a super good bag for your DJI Mini 3 Pro, guys. And if you ask me what is the exterior quality of the bag, then exterior quality is also superb. And if you ask me to rate this bag, then I would say it would be 8.5 out of 10. Now as you can see on the screen, I am trying to press the bag from the external force on the sideways, but it's super sturdy. But on the top of this bag, it's a bit smooth, so I would rate it as 8 out of 10. So when you compare it with your ordinary DJI bag, you can see the size. Width of this bag is exactly same as what we get with our official DJI Mini 3 Pro. But when we talk about the width is quite big with this bag because of the interior shell. Size wise and the dimension wise, if you ask me to rate this bag, then I would rate it as 7 out of 10 because the bag is quite big. And as we know that DJI Mini 3 Pro is a nano drone which comes with a 249 grams of weight, but carrying such a big bag is a mess for me. So I don't know about your opinion, you guys let me know in the comment section. But the quality wise and the safety wise, this is the best bag for your DJI Mini 3 Pro. You can consider to buy this if you're travel enthusiastic and if you travel in a public transport, guys. So guys, if you ask me about the weight of this bag, then it is approximately 500 grams without drone in this bag. If you guys keep the drone, RC, all the accessories, then approximately it is going to be 1200-1300 grams. If you guys are travel enthusiastic and if you want to keep your DJI Mini 3 Pro safe, then do consider purchasing this hard case. I'll be adding the link in the description. So that's it for this video, guys. I hope you have liked this video and found this video informative. If you guys found this video informative, do hit a like button and subscribe to the channel. We'll meet in the next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.